So yummy. The big one.
Hello, welcome to our channel, Eleanor Fun World. I am Felix and this one Eleanor. So what are we doing today?
Chocolate chip cookies, yummy.
Okay, first we need
This one is bread flour 1 cup, all-purpose flour 3/4 cups, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoon. This one is chocolate chip. We will use Hershey semi-sweet chocolate chip. This one is brown sugar 1 cup, white sugar half cup, vanilla 2 teaspoon, espresso powder 1 teaspoon, egg and egg yolk. And today we will use Silver Queen 1 bar and 3 little chocolate milk Hershey. And 2 teaspoons of rum. And the most important is we will use butter 1 cup.
and first we have to cook this butter until bubble and brown. Okay.
Baking soda, salt,
It's brown.
Put the butter in this bowl, stainless bowl.
That's one way. I don't know. Here.
half cup of white sugar,
You put
2 tablespoons of vanilla,
I love it. Ooh, so it's lacy. I'm my mama.
Now put the egg in the bowl. sama tangan Pak.
Okay, let's go. Come in here.
Next. Huh? Put it here.
Masuk ke sini. Yay, bagus.
So big. Why so big?
Look, I made
It's very big.
Bigger, bigger, bigger. I'm not bigger.
Put here.
Janganlah.
Okay. Set the temperature to 175 and set the timer to
One for me, for you. Ouch, that was bigger. Whoa, I make bigger.
oh,
I'm trying to.
oh, it's melting. It's melting in my mouth.
Look, this one too. Nom 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 nom.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.